I am back with another video for you guys today, and it's a hair tutorial. I'm very excited to do this video, but first, my name is Eva, for those who don't know me, who are new here. I do fashion and beauty videos, lifestyle videos as well. Thank you for coming to my page. Anyways, today we're gonna go ahead and do a low pony because I was inspired by Shay Mitchell's hairstylist, I believe. She did this really cute low pony on her, and I just had to recreate it because I love ponies, high ponies, low ponies. I love to put my hair up, so I thought I'd recreate that look for you guys today. And two disclaimers: don't pay no mind to my lashes. I need to remove them so I can add a new set. I'm actually doing this right after this video anyways. And second, my nails look crusty as heck, so don't pay attention to that because I need to get them fixed. Anyways, yes, let's go ahead and get to it because this should be a quick and fairly easy video. The look, I'm sure I'll probably posted a picture of it on the thumbnail, so you already know, have an idea of what I'm gonna create. But she has like some waves, so I did already curl my hair. It's a little wavy, just really fast. I didn't want it super curly or anything like that because it's gonna be in a pony, so I don't really want it. And she actually has the part in the middle, but personally for me, I don't really like, I don't know, something about the middle. Yeah, let's try it out. It just doesn't, I don't know, you guys. What do y'all think? Do y'all think the middle part is cute on me? Well, right now it's kind of hard to get the middle part because of my baby hairs, my postpartum hair loss and shit. But what do y'all think? Does it look bad? I've never really done anything down the middle, but I don't really prefer it. But for this video, we'll just go ahead and do it how I had it. But you can part it wherever. She had the part right in the center. If that's where you like it, go ahead and do it. I just did a little bit off to the side where I usually part my hair. But before we get started, you can either have your hair curled or you can do it however you feel like it. I think it just gives you a little bit more volume on your pony if you have it styled, so keep that in mind. Also, I'm just going to show you the things that you need to accomplish this look. I have my Way medium hairspray and texturizing hairspray and medium hairspray. I love these two products. These are literally my staple every time I go to do my hair and style my hair. They're like one of the best products that I've ever used. And then I have my brush. You can use whatever kind of brush. I have the Tangle Teezer, and it's a little bit dirty, so don't look at that. And then any type of teasing brush will work. This is a little bit dirty too because I've been messing with it all day. And then just an elastic. I could not find my elastic, so I'm using a rubber band. I would not suggest you use a rubber band, okay, you guys, because it's gonna tug your hair. So anyways, once you have had your hair already either styled or however you want it, she does the low pony. So I'm gonna take this brush and brush my hair back. And then I don't want to brush too much of the back, like super flat. I just want to like kind of like graze over the top and the back because we are gonna make it a little bit bigger. And you want it to be a little bit messy, you guys. We don't want it so perfect. Like the way she did it was super cute, like messy-ish, not perfect. So you're gonna brush your hair from the side. I'm just brushing it a little bit because this is not how it's gonna look once we have it up. And then I'm gonna brush back and brush back, brush back. You see you see kind of how that looks. That's kind of how I want it. And remember, you guys, I have no product in my hair, so this is how the hair looks so far. Now I'm gonna go in with my rubber band, and I'm gonna go in once and twice. I'm not gonna tighten it because remember, we're still styling it all around. So very first off, we're gonna go ahead and like brush it like I was doing, and then just bring it this way. You grab all your hair. Now my hair is a little bit awkward around the hairline because of my postpartum hair, but you just want to like keep brushing it. And then same thing with this. My hair's a little awkward. That's okay. I'm just gonna brush it. These little baby hairs I'm gonna brush back too because they're looking kind of crazy. Now we're gonna, you see how this is a little bit flat? Bring my face this way. So we're gonna tug. You see how it like pulled it up? Tug. And then tug. Hope you guys can see this. There we go. Tug. So we're just tugging, and then you want to go forward to make sure you're tugging in the right spots, because you don't want it to, I would suggest look straight ahead and look a little bit down, and then just bring these up a little bit. Remember, you guys, you don't want these to look perfect. I like the messy look. And then pull it out a little bit, pull it out, pull it out. Tug. And we're just gonna keep going back and forth. Now, once I have a little bit of the hair out, I'm actually gonna tighten it from the bottom, the elastic. And then we're just gonna keep tugging. So we're gonna go like this. Like this. And then just tug a little bit. Tug where you feel like you need to tug the hair, so it's like even. See that? You can just keep playing with it. The main focus of this hairstyle is basically the top, because you want to make sure you have it how you like it. I'm sorry, you guys, the glare on my window, like it's early today, and I had to get this video done early. We have some things that we have to do later, but hope it doesn't bug you guys too much. And then there we go. So I'm gonna add a little bit of product in my hair already, so I can like kind of tame all this. I'm gonna go in actually with my medium hairspray. You can also go with like a wax around the face just to lay down your hair, which I do prefer, and I like the wave one. I'm out of that one, so I'm just gonna use the hairspray just for the video. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of hairspray because I don't want too much. And you guys, her products they smell so freaking good. I love how the products smell. Trying to bring all this hair because she has a very, very distinct part like this, but the middle part looks so good on her. But for me, I feel like I look weird. I don't know. What do y'all think? When I parted my hair, do y'all think it looked weird? For me personally, I felt like it was. I never really do hairstyles right down the middle because I feel like I have a butt head or some shit. I don't know, maybe that's just me. Y'all let me know. Okay. And if you hear stuff in the background, you guys, that's just my son. He's having a snack, watching his cartoons while my other son is snapping. And I'm just gonna pull this. And I just keep messing with it until I like it. And then one thing to the, before I do the last thing, you wanna take some of the hair. I'm gonna take some texturizing hairspray just to give it a little bit of texture. And I'm gonna roll this around the band of the elastic. I'm trying to see if you guys can see it. I don't want it to be too soft or else it's not gonna stay. And I'm gonna tuck it into my rubber band, but you can, I would use a, what is it called? Bobby pin for that, but because I was able to tuck it in. This will make sure that that part of the little pony does not go nowhere. Okay, next, now that we have that, I will go back and forth and just keep fixing my hair as much as I feel I need to until I have it how I like it. Be careful, Noah. Okay. See how it pokes out a little bit? That's exactly how I want it. Now, for the tail of the pony, you have your hair like this. The last thing basically is getting your texturizing spray. You're gonna go ahead and add it all over the pony. Of both ends. You can literally just go like this and it'll like look cute, but I am going to add a little bit more texture to it. And I'm gonna get my brush and I am gonna brush up. See how I made it look bigger? That's exactly what I want. So this side, same thing. Messing with it until you have it how you wish and how you want the pony to be. So you see, you can leave it like this. You can have it more messier. It's totally up to you guys. I really love, and the beauty about this textured spray is that you can literally play with your hair. You can like scrunch it and grab the hair and like go back and forth with it like this and then like bring it up and it will like stay how you want it. You see how that stayed right there? I want a little bit more volume, so I'm gonna grab the top right here. I'm gonna tease it just a tiny bit, nothing crazy. See how that did it? The texturizing spray helps so much to give you that volume that you need. And you just kind of like mess with it. You can brush it out. See that? See how cute that was? Yes, girl. You was looking like a business woman. And I'm trying to get my baby hairs to stay. This is why a wax would work way better. It will actually like hold those little hairs in place. but this will work for now. Spray a little bit on the top. See how that looks, you guys? And I just like to literally look at my hair all around to see if it's like even, you know? I want it to be at least pretty even. Remember, this hairstyle is a messy one. It's not gonna be perfect. I honestly love a messy hair style because with kids, it's hard to like have really precise hairdo, you know? And then just go here. And yeah, you guys, that's basically it. I really love this hairstyle and how it came out. I love how Shay Mitchell's hairstylist did her hair like this, and I was like, oh, girl, yes, I need to recreate it. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really I've been loving recreating these new hairstyle videos for you guys because I love doing my hair and I haven't done it in so long. For those who know me know that I just had a baby about 6 months ago, and you know, time for myself wasn't really a thing until recently. I really had to like put time for myself because it can get really hard with 2 kids. But anyways, you guys, this is basically the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial on a low pony inspired by Shay Mitchell's hairstylist. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me on another one, and I love you guys so much. And until next time, bye.